Here I have SONY Xperia L3 and let me show you how to enable developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now just scroll down to the very bottom of the list and pick System. And here go to About Phone, scroll down one more time to the bottom of the list and keep tapping on build number until you see the notification that you are a developer. So just keep tapping and you are now a developer. So once you see it, you can go back and here you will notice the new tab, which is developer options. So just open it and now you can simply perform whichever action you want to. As you can see, there is a wide list of possibilities. You can show notification channel warnings, background check. You can also profile GPU rendering, disable USB audio routing and all the other super secret options. So as you can see, there's plenty of possibilities, and if you would like to switch off developer options, if you would like to hide them one more time, just tap on this icon to switch them off. And as you can see, once we'll go back, there will be no developer options over here. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.